Alright, time for some zip lining in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Got the group. Gonna do ATVs up to the mountaintop, I guess, somewhere. But yeah, should be fun. Much better than my past experience aside from Costa Rica. So stay tuned. Alright, making the climb up the stairs to the first platform. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Guess I'll be getting some exercise today, everybody. This should be exciting.
It'll make a lot more sense once you get this first one out of the way. We'll help you guys.
Okay.
Just sit there, man. It's simple.
Alright,
Down.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
We can go at the same time.
Alright. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, ready? Oh, sit, go.
Right up
That
here.
kind of shook me.
All right, so you're gonna kind of pivot around this backside here. Put your head down there. You'll step up on this box and you can hold these ropes right here, okay? Awesome. Was that first one okay? Out of the mountains, and then you realize that the further you look out, the more blue the Smokies appear. At first, they thought that it was like magical land. They thought it was caused by magic. Later, science ruined that for them. It's caused by something called VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. So with all the plant life here living, breathing, and dying, it's releasing that nitrogen-rich gas into the atmosphere, and as the sun refracts off of that, makes the Smokies appear blue. VOCs are not unique to the Smokies, they're just more prominent here since we are in the most biodiverse national park in the park system. So really cool, we just have the most different types of tree species, stuff like that. It's really cool in the summer on this platform, you can look out around us and you see a bunch of different, like all the trees seem like they're different species of trees. And it's kind of cool because other national parks you go there and you see a lot of the same tree in the area. So that's kind of cool how the Smokies are just unique in that way. Beautiful.
Feet up, right?
That was perfect. Right up on that box. And
Going up the suspension bridge, steps, ladder, I guess you could say. But yeah, this is really bouncy, but nice. This is a workout. Definitely getting my leg exercise in today. Now for the suspension bridge part. Walk on.
stop right there.
Get out of there. It's pretty awesome though.
A lot of my friends have their own stuff, so they just kind of go out whenever.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I miss scuba diving a lot actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been landlocked for I was in Kansas, then moved to Vegas, so now I've been landlocked for quite a while.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, man, you are good to go whenever.
Okay, ball up, you say, right?
Yeah, ball up. I'm gonna pull you in here. Awesome, right on that block. How was that one for you?
That's pretty awesome.
Good. Good. Getting some good video?
Yeah,
Good.
so far.
Nice.
Let it go, let it go.
Alrighty, who's next?
Okay. Whoop. Whoa. Everybody leave?
What was that?
Did everybody leave?
Yeah, they just started heading up.
More stairs climbing to the top. This is quite a ways to go, but this is the last one. It's supposed to be super fast and far, so we'll see. But yeah, let's go. And the suspension bridge. If you're into this kind of stuff, I would definitely recommend doing it. Pretty awesome. More hiking, so this is just part of it. Look at this pretty place. It's amazing up here. Wobbly. So we gotta climb all the way to the top up there. The final zip down.
So with that, we will be balling up, okay? You guys crushed it on line 3. Ball up, be watching for hand signals. If we're waving at you like this, what does that one mean? Slow down, yeah, stop balling up. And this one?
Go
Ball it up
faster.
and ball up a little tighter, perfect. Before you ball up though, you have an opportunity to get an action shot. Jay will be up here with her camera. As soon as 2 of you step off, she's gonna bam, 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 take a bunch of photos. We're bound to get a couple good ones, all right? Now you can strike a pose or do something fun for your photo. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh crap, bumped my head.
Y'all ready?
Ready, set, go. Yay, I made it.
Alrighty, right up on that box there. How was that one?
It's awesome. I got some really good footage there.
Yay!
2, 1, 2. Hey.
Cool.
Alright, who's next?
Okay, ready, set, go. Oh.
Very nice.
I'm gonna get whiplash.
I know this brake is tends to stop
one
people a lot
definitely is.
faster. Don't think about it. Alright, so hold the blue, don't pull the down at all, push up and then a big step forward. Great job.
I should make some adjustments first.
Alright, here comes the ground. Go ahead and stand on up. Very good.
Thank you for giving me guidance.
Of course. I'm gonna take you how to use
Longer than
Emma.
one time I've ever done, other than same order. So, like that last fifth one, oh my
I didn't bring my lunch today, and Joe said she wanted dogs, so.
All right, the zip line tour is over. My family just met me at the bottom of the hill. Hey, honey. Smile a little bit. We had fun, and let's get out the road. Nuggie, how you doing?
Good.
See the four-wheeler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's that.
Awesome people. They're gonna give us some photographs. I'm not gonna pay for them because they probably cost $40, $50 a piece. But I did the Spider-Man for you, Nugget.
Where?
I did the Spider-Man. I went upside down and did this right here. It was cool, honey. You should try it. Guess who's coming out here? Thanks for watching and subscribe.